insightful opportunities that will be existing in profession in the years to come is going to be technology. Technology has always been something that we've lived with as early as the late 70s when the first PC came out, even before that with the advent of build your own computer systems. In fact, even before the Microsoft operating system came about, there were other operating systems, including the old Radio Shack computers that you could order and assemble yourself, and the CPM operating system, which really does date me. And I'll even go back to basic beginner's all system instruction code. But technology has always been a part of what we do, but the usability of the technology is always the question. Theory is always there, but the application is a sad laggard in the process. That's not going to happen in the future. We are at an immensely accelerated basis for technology in something as hackneyed, I guess is the right way to say it, as artificial intelligence. The words have been thrown out. The applications are few and far between, but they're starting to trickle into the application of professions. I see technology as such an important part for the future that the actively practicing practitioner in all of the professions has to be aware of what's new, what's available. Generative artificial intelligence, such as that which we'd find in OpenAI, in Copilot, in Gemini, and all of the different common available means for utilization, is in its infancy. Bots that have been embedded into software programs have existed for a long time, and we will be seeing in our lifetimes how the utilization and the application of robotic androids, or humanoids if you want to call them that, assisting us in a lot of activity, especially in the professions, becomes more important. There's going to be many things that occur, but what I would encourage all practitioners and all professions to do, especially those that might be interested in the partnerships that we're developing, is to really be attuned to what's available in the profession and its application. The profession is different than an occupation. The profession is not part of an industry, but rather the devotion of those with a specialized knowledge, with a body of knowledge and a code of ethics. So there's an awful lot to do, but I would say technology is so important. If there are seminars that you can take in technology, even if they are what I would call jujun and really not detailed, but they'll provide you with enough information that you can let the creativity of your own mind and the magic of your own thought to be brought to bear. So I'd strongly encourage everyone, be aware of what's going on, especially with artificial intelligence, with machine learning, and eventually with something as really important as quantum computing. So for now, hope you have a good opportunity to consider the magic that's available within your profession for technology.